Greetings and good afternoon, folks. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I've got a package. I love getting packages, especially when they say the Dollar Sportsman on them. These are from my wonderful friends at X, and they sent me a scope, and I am super excited about it. This is the Axeon 4x16. This is my very first time looking at this. I have not opened it beforehand or anything, and I am super stoked because this is amazing. So I've always had this goal as a YouTuber because I was watching Demolition Ranch once where Matt, right, gets a scope from a company, and I thought, when I get a scope from a company, I will have made it. So it's a pretty good day. I am super excited to go put this on my gauntlet and test it out with my FTS camera scope mount that I got from Tacticam. Yeah, buddy, look at that. It even has covers already on it. I love that. See how clear that is? Man, that is slick. You can't see it, but it's clear. I like the fact that it comes with the Parallax Adjustment on the side, which is something I was actually recently messing around and missing on my gauntlet right now because of the way that my camera mounts to it. I wanted that onto a scope. And then X contacts me and says, hey, we're gonna send you a scope. So that worked out perfect. 4x16 magnification. I should be able to thread the pellets right through the brush to get to my target. And I like the fact that this has dots on it instead of just the duplex reticle. So a lot of pellet rifles just have duplex reticles on them, which is fine, but I really like being able to do holdovers and get my shots really spot on with holdovers rather than having to adjust my turrets. So this should be super exciting. Thank you so much, X, Axeon. I'm excited to test your scope out. We're gonna get this on the X gauntlet and have a good old time with it.
You got him. Buddy. Nice. Yes.
Something that was really neat shooting these is the fact that because of the Moa Dots in the Axeon scope, I was able to hold over at 75 yards while just shooting at this range here, and I was dead on 3 dots down. Nailed it again. Woo! It was fantastic, guys. I mean, this is shooting very well. That scope is clear. I mean, I was able to take a jackrabbit at 88 yards with it, holding over. And I was shaky because I was standing on uneven rocks, trying to film at the same time, using a bipod shooting stick. It was fantastic. So the Axeon scope is doing very well for me on this trip. It's a little, the only thing that I would say is that it has a lot of reflection off of the lens. So you gotta be careful to make sure that you're looking through it just right. But in terms of the clarity and the effectiveness and the hold, fantastic. So I would say this is a definite winner for the gauntlet.
That's pretty comfortable.
Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow.
I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. And just enjoy all of this. Because after watching these videos, I hope you do.
Yeah, buddy.